The physical devices is nothing but the physical gadgets is hardware and elements of actuators. The physical design is and sensors. These elements of gathering information surrounding the transfer and further analytics of approach are the physical devices. The physical devices using on sensors, actuators, and mobile phones and real-time actions performance. Right? And physical devices and connectivities and processor, audio, video interfaces, interfaces of sensors and storage information and graphics and memory interfaces. This is of all things on the physical design. And what are the reference of devices? The things in IoT reference IoT devices which in the unique identity to perform the remote sensing and actuating and monitoring and capability. The IoT devices can exchange in the sense is remote sensing like Wi-Fi and act to action the performance in the monitoring of every stabilizations of capabilities, right? And data with the connecting in the devices and applications, data connecting in the Bluetooth, best example in Bluetooth and the Wi-Fi. The Wi-Fi is a connection is device to devices. You exchange the data remotely also. The all the collect the data from the device process and data either in locally or remotely. Remotely, so an IoT devices is consist of several interfaces. Its communication is a device, is a wired and wireless devices. The wireless device is a Bluetooth and Zigbee and Wi-Fi also. These are wireless devices. Wireless devices to exchange the connecting one devices to another devices, easily connecting and easily transfer the videos and audios also. Like and like interfaces, sensors, and internet connectivity. The memory storage and interfaces, audio, videos, and interfaces. What are the protocols? Protocols is nothing but the application protocol and transfer protocol and network protocol in the link data link protocol. Protocol link layer. First of all, we discuss about the link layer. Link layer protocol is determine the what the physical layer sending over the network, the physical layer, the medium of local network, the connecting the host attached. The link layer is the Ethernet. Ethernet is connecting the wired devices or connecting the wireless devices also. Link the one devices will be connected into the another devices like using the Wi-Fi. The Wi-Fi is one mobile to connecting in the routers. The link the one devices to another devices, right? The attaching the host of the device. This is the overall explanation of protocols. The Ethernet is IEEE the collection of wired Ethernet standards is the link layer. They are to provide a coaxial cable. Using the coaxial cable is connecting the USB wire to another devices is the pair connections. The fiber optical connections is not to user uses of Ethernet is a fiber. The collecting wireless devices 6 and LAN is a communication standard included extended described link layers. It is operating the 5G. The current using of 5G bands is 802 and operated 2.4 gigahertz is the low network is operated in the current cities also. The Wi-Fi Max and 6 LRWAP and GP also. This is the overall protocols, the network link. The network layer. The network layer responsible for the sensing IP datagram from the source of network destination and network to perform the host of addressing the packets router. The datagram is containing the source of determine the address. The protocol is IPv Internet Protocol 4 version. The Internet Protocol version is used to identify the devices on network using the hierarchical addressing scheme. 32 bits using the networking. They allow the total 2.2 with addresses, 32 addresses and IPv6 Internet Protocol version is a one is supported in 128 bits addresses scheme of alerts and its addresses and 6LoWPAN. 6LoWPAN is a low power wireless personal area network. Is a low power wireless personal area network is a low range area network. This is communication with, like for examples, is a Bluetooth is a low range data exchange, and Wi-Fi is a low range examples, and operated at 2.4 megabit frequency or range of transfer the data, right? And the protocol is a protocol. What is the protocol? Is a transfer control protocol, transmission control protocol. So the transmission control protocol, using the transport layer. The transport layer, the TCP/IP and the UDP protocols. The transport control protocol is web browser along with HTTP hypertext transfer protocols. The TCP is the transfer with HTTP protocols is along with the text protocols, and SMTP the connection is the oriented of streamline protocols. Is ideally sending the packets one by one, sending the packets as also reliable the transmission control orders, avoiding the network conjunction. Conjunctions is the collapses. Yeah. Nowadays, the transfer control protocol is a one packet to another packet is easily exchange. Sending the one packet, another packet is the queues orders, either sending the another labels also. And UDP nowadays UDP is a connectionless protocol. Is a wireless is a very small data units in the exchange. Very small unit is the exchange. The transmission is oriented as a stateless protocol that does not providing the guarantee the delivery. Nowadays is a transfer control protocol using the slow process, and UDP is a best is a fastest protocol in the nowadays, right? The now next is application protocol. The application that protocol is the interface of low layer. The protocol is sending the data. The network to enable the process to process communication using the ports. Like for example, using HTTP protocol and CoAP protocol, WebSocket and MQTT protocol, the hypertext transfer protocol. For example, is they give the WWW World Wide Web application is the follow the request, the sending the one order basis, HTTP, the transfer is the and to providing the text format, the Google or browser also, the sending the request, the text Rupa, text and request and response stateless protocol. The constraint application protocol is a mission to mission applications. After returning in the server back to the response, right? And WebSockets allow the full duplex communication is single socket connections. The one socket is the connection is the queues orders. The socket with connection, so one duplex is the communication over the network. One network to another network is a queues order, right? And MQTT is a message query telemetry transfer. Is a lightweight message protocol. It's based on the publish subscriber model. The publish first of all is first publish is the user to publish the model and the topic wise. The topic wise is sending the process is the client server architectures. Publisher topic wise is dividing in the consumers. One data will sending the topic wise, and topic is dividing in the consumer 1, consumer 2, consumer 3. Easily to understanding the messages. So splitting the data one or two other the data is issued at the constraint environment. And thank you.